This 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, oven, air conditioning, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is 6,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.